बीच जाना नहीं जाना, प्लेन्स क्रैश हो रहे, श्रीनगर में इश्यूज है, but anyway it happened. The journey started. Overall journey ended well. बाकी overall trip I will say 5 stars दे सकते. आशीष जी और शनु जी, both Gopal, they all cooperated very well. Back end team, everybody did well. As everybody proposed with the helicopter trip के साथ online registration for Amarnath is very important. वो जरूर encourage करिए. Driver and cleaner, thankless job. They have been shifting the suitcases हर एक दिन, सबका सामान उठाना रखना. Thank you very much.
Har Har Mahadev. Thank you all. Thank you Namaste India for making this trip highly memorable and for planning it well. So one particular thing I liked about Namaste India is the staff is very good, vehicle is good, driver is good, helper Brajesh is good, and then your entire staff, right, like Ashish, yourself, Gopal, and back-end staff, right, like Shanu particular, you are awesome. You have taken care of us like your family, and that is really kind of appreciated. That makes us focus on enjoying the trip, to be honest, rather than focusing on any other side items that we need to do, all right, because it's but here in this case, Shanu, you are awesome. Thank you very much. The third trip.
This is third time we are coming to Amarnath trip in Namaste India. Namaste India. First time we 2016 we gone to Chardham Yatra with 35 members. And second time 2024 we gone to Nepal Badrinarayan Yatra. Everything is good. In this third trip, just first 3 days we are not satisfied in Namaste India. Remaining 8 days we are happy, more than happy. Thank you so much. Only thing is Katra rooms and rooms and food. After entering the Shanu, it is very good.
You will agree 100%. But after changing that,
as compared to the other travels also, we are paying same. We are not bargained anything from you. Thank you, Nishan.